I'm Ron from Kolleno, your go-to platform for accounts receivables integrated with NetSuite. Today I will show you how to add a price interval to all items in a subscription plan at once. So first we need to go to List, Subscription Plans. Then we will select one of our subscription plans, here this one. And on the Price Books sub-tab, we can click next to our pricing plan on the Edit button. So this opens a new sub-tab, and in this sub-tab you can see a button. So that's the first way if you want to add for all the items. Here I have only one, but it works if you had multiple. You have this Add Interval to All button. It simultaneously adds a price interval to all items in the subscription plan. Before I show you how to do just one item at a time, please subscribe to this channel to get more NetSuite tutorials. The way to do this is simply to click on the item, and here you will see a Make Copy button, and you click on it. It will quickly copy the current price interval, so make the necessary edits and then simply click on Save in the bottom left or the top left. If you want to collect the invoices that you create here, have a look at kolleno.com, and for all the rest I will see you in the next ones. Bye bye.